What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to mod Fallout New Vegas. Before you install any mod, you need a program that can open compressed files like 7-zip or WinRAR. Now, ENBS will not work correctly unless the game's built-in settings are configured first. So start Fallout from the Steam and then let it detect your hardware. Click Options and change Display, enable HDR, disable anti-aliasing, and disable anisotropic filtering. ENB replaces these features, so they must be off. And also disable water displacement and water refractions. These effects conflict with ENB water shaders that can cause broken reflections, visual glitches, or performance drops. Now, for this tutorial, we'll be using Dynamo ENB as an example, but the steps apply to any ENB preset. Go to Nexus Mods, then search for Dynamo ENB Fallout New Vegas. Download the latest version and open the downloaded file with 7-zip or WinRAR. Inside, you'll usually see folders like ENB Series, Suite FX, Presets, or optional folders. This is where beginners often mess up, so follow carefully. Open Steam, then click Library. Right-click on Fallout New Vegas and select Properties. Now go to Local Files, then click Browse. This opens your main game folder where Fallout nv.exe is. Just select all main files folders and do not copy alternate presets, alternate suite FX and DLF optional folders unless you know what's in them. Now drag and drop the selected files into the Fallout New Vegas directory and allow override if prompt. ENB presets do nothing without the ENB binary itself. Just go to enbdev.com, download ENB, then install it. Configure performance, memory usage, and crashes, and open enblocal.ini found in your game folder, and do not blindly copy-paste settings from the internet. Your hardware matters. Before installing any other mods, launch Fallout New Vegas, load into the game world, and check ENB message appears top left. Visual look different and no instant crashes. If crashes, immediately recheck step 2 settings and make sure d3d9.dll is in the correct folder. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.